Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Princess here as always. If you're new here, you're welcome. Very much welcome. If you're an Sabi and you're back into this channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Today I'm going to do a very short video about my hair essentials. Not really essentials, but my new hair products that I have. Yeah, I stocked new ones after the last ones got finished. And I'm just going to show you my products, and I will start with my shampoo. I have this Mikala hair essential shampoo. I have done a video about this on me trying this out, and it worked so much. And it says it's a Mikala hair essential cleansing and conditioning shampoo. Gently cleanses off all impurities while maintaining natural hair feel and balance. Leaves hair stronger, velvety, and supple. That is what it claims to do. Mikala cleansing and conditioning shampoo gently cleans off dirt and residue from hair without stripping of essential nutrients. It contains a highly versatile formula with a blend of quality conditioning agents that will leave hair healthier, shinier, and silky. This gentle yet effective shampoo has an exemplary spread and lathering features that leave your hair feeling soft and full of body. It is also enhanced with vitamin B5 that improves the strength of your hair whilst nurturing and restoring natural moisture. That is what it claims to do, and I can attest to that. It is true. It does that work. But I just realized I'm still learning how to wash my hair because sometimes I do not take in. So after washing, I find that around my edges, because of the gel that sometimes I use, I end up having some residues, but it's a process of learning and you improve in your process. Directions: apply enough quantity of wet hair massage gently into the hair and scalp, repeat routine if necessary, and then rinse. Then we have the safety precautions and ingredients. It has aqua, deionized water, and that is what I usually check on my products. The first ingredient should be water. And yeah, this is my first ever shampoo, as in buying a shampoo and its conditioner in the same line is the first, and I thank God for that. Dream come true. Come to little blessings, little blessings, little blessings. Mikala hair essentials. This is the conditioning. Oh yeah, it is honey and butter conditioner. Totally restores, rejuvenates, and improves hair texture and body with natural honey, vitamins E and B5, and shea butter. And for the first time I had something that contains shea butter, because it is the most moisturizing thing product, as in, what can you say, ingredients that you find in products. It is parabens free. And Mikala hair essentials hair and honey hair conditioner is skillfully formulated to detangle, hydrate, and protect hair. This easy combing conditioner is intended to tame frizz and protect against external stress. It gently conditions the hair, leaving it soft and manageable with a silky after feel. That is true, guys. It is 100% true. It is very easy to comb after applying it because it is more of butter, and then freezing of the hair is minimized depending on the latest shampoo and the normal shampoo that I have used. This one does that, and I can attest to that. It is true. Directions: you apply an adequate amount after a towel dry shampoo routine, massage through and comb gently from the root to tip, and rinse. The first ingredient, aqua. Always look for the water to be the first ingredient, and I'm in love with this product. Yeah, it is cheap, by the way. $2 with some 5 cents or something. Yeah, at least it works. At least it is favorable for the people who are working under a budget, a student or something. Just a local supermarket and you get it. You don't have to have so expensive products for you to be natural. After my conditioning, I will have my leave-in treatment, and this one is the Livana leave-in treatment. I've just cut it for me to ensure I have used everything. It is almost over. I didn't like this. It was my first leave-in treatment to use. I didn't like it because it dried up my hair, and then it left some residues, and it was watery. I didn't love it. I think my hair works best with things that are more of butter-like. And so I bought this for me to try it. This TCB leave-in treatment with shea butter and coconut oil, intense moisture therapy. And trust me, I bought this because it contains shea butter. Anything that has shea butter attracts me, and it has oils. And by the way, for this shampoo and the conditioner, it smells so amazing, so amazing. Let's smell the living. Whew. It smells so good, you guys. It says apply daily to dry or damp hair. Squeeze into palm, rub together into fingers through your hair. Distribute from root to ends. For deep moisture infusion and soft silky hair, apply immediately before blow drying or hair styling. No heat on my hair for the rest of my life. Until further notice. It smells amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it in another video showing you how I moisturize my hair, so look out for that. If it will come after this one or before this one, I will link it up anyway in the iCards. For my moisture, I use the Nice and Lovely Pink Hair Moisture. This one, I tried it for the first time and I loved it. With shea butter and vitamin E for dull and dry hair. And guys, this one is the one that made me love any product that has shea butter, because I just love the way it feels on my hair. This one is still new, but the other bottle is over. I love the way my hair feels so smooth to comb. After applying it, it feels so moisturized, guys. Then it's very good for high puffs, because it makes my high puffs be shape. It shapes them at the tips, and I love it. This one, I love it. Nice and Lovely Pink Oil Hair Moisturizer is now enriched with shea butter to penetrate the strands of your hair, adding moisture, gloss, and shine to the dull, dry hair. It is best used to moisturize your hair and scalp, add shine to dry hair, repair and rejuvenate damaged hair, protect your hair with brittleness and drying caused by heat styling tools, conditioning and restore the natural beauty of your hair, leaving it soft, healthy looking, and easy to manage. The instructions of use are just normal. Ingredient: water. First ingredient. The ingredient for the leave-in moisturizer: aqua, water. Always look for that, and I feel so happy when I find products that have water as the first ingredients. Yeah, and guys, I've never used this. What is this? Comment down below if you've ever used a cleansing scalp gel. I've never. I just bought it because I think I had enough money. You know, when you have money, you take the chances. Aliana Hair Care. This one is from Darling. Cleansing scalp gel with peppermint oil and menthol. And after buying this one, guys, I just realized it is expiring on November 2019. So I will just have to use it more and more so that it cannot expire in my house. At least it will be over, so my money won't go to waste. And all these products, guys, are between $1 or even less than $1, between 50 Kenyan shillings to 250. They range from there, nothing above. So it is very affordable. $2, $3. It doesn't get to $3. They're all under $3. And this one, the first ingredient is aqua, water. Water is life. Water is life, guys. Always look for water as the first ingredient, okay? Water. And how to use is using your hands or comb. Separate your hair evenly. Apply the gel on your scalp from hairline to the back of your head. Gently massage the scalp gel into your scalp to soothe and free yourself from tightness and itchiness due to braiding or sewing weaves. Style your hair as desired. I think this scalp gel can be used as a detox when you feel like your scalp is itchy sometimes, like you feel like it's not normal. It is good for you. Itchiness, tightness, especially after braiding. Although I don't love braiding, I just like it, but I don't love braiding. It is good for you, and I'll try it out and we'll see. I'll do it on how I'm going to include it on how I moisturize my hair video. So be sure to watch it, by the way. Have you subscribed? You know, we need to talk. Like, we need to talk. Like, if you're happy seeing me here talking, by the way, just consider subscribing and God will bless you, okay? And I love this. It has... Who? It makes my scalp feel moisturized, like, you see the way you feel when spirit evaporates on your skin. That's how I feel. I think it's because of the menthol it has, and just like it says with peppermint oil, Smells like peppermint. And anyway, it's time for my oils. This one is coconut, real coconut oil, and this one is olive hair oil. This one is specific for the hair, but this one you can use for anything, and I'm using this for my skin too. I haven't used it on my hair. I've never used coconut oil on my hair, but olive oil is always my go-to hair oil. I really love olive oil. I don't know why, I just trust hair oil. And next time I will try the, I've forgotten the name of argan oil. Yes, I saw it in my supermarket, but I decided to pick this one. And I love the bottle. This one. Like, it's just enough. It's just enough, guys. Enough. Olive hair oil contains the extracted essence of olive, active proteins, vitamin B6, and so on, and it can quickly add a layer of protective film on hair to improve the quality of dry and damaged hair, keep hair glossy, soft, with healthy luster, at the same time enhance hair elasticity and texture, and keep the hair fragrant, moist, and beautiful for a long time. Ingredients: liquid paraffin, plant extracts, almond oil, blah blah blah. For the pure coconut oil ingredients, is just pure coconut. It has nothing expensive or fancy about it. And guys, I'm so excited to use these products. I'm going to use all of them in my video about me moisturizing my hair. Be sure to watch that video. Yeah, this one will come up earlier, but that video will be later. Baadaye. And lastly, I have my olive oil hair sheen spray. This is the most common, guys. This spray, I haven't used it for a long time. I bought it and I've never seen any need of spraying this on my hair, but it's nice. I love the smell. It brings the shine. It makes your hair more alive. Provides natural healthy sheen to dry and thirsty hair, and that's true. It is very, very affordable. And anything that has the name olive, shea butter, close to my heart. Like, preference, guys. Everyone has a preference, and those are my favorites. So guys, we've gotten to the end of this video, and come on, you need to subscribe if you haven't. Please subscribe if you haven't, please. Okay, God will bless you, by the way. Yeah, for supporting me, an innocent like me, an innocent girl like me, trying to find out something and exploring this world. Please subscribe. And that is the end of my video, and I'll see you in my next video. Be sure to subscribe. I know I've said that 10 times, but please do. And I thank you for watching this video. If you've reached this far, give me a like and comment down below which products that I've mentioned you've ever used or you're still using them, and I'll see you in my next video. And sorry for the background. That one is my bed down there, and these are wardrobes. Of course you know it. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.